Now, I'm going to explain relations and functions previous year questions of JEE Main. The previous year I have done 11 syllabus. Now I'm doing the second year syllabus. For second year syllabus it takes around 2 to 3 videos. It takes more questions are there, most important questions. Now I will explain this question. You can see this one. Let a function f from open interval 0 comma infinity to open interval 0 comma infinity be defined by f of x equal to mod 1 minus 1 by x. They are asking about injective or surjective. Injective means 1 1, surjective means on to. They are discussing about that. But here we observe this problem. What they observed, this is a bonus question in 2019. Suppose if you take f of 1, so f of 1 minus 1, it comes mod 0, right? So f of 1 equals 0. So 0 to define function, the 0 belongs to codomain, but this 0 doesn't belongs to codomain, right? This is codomain, right? This is the here this one. So f of 1 doesn't belongs to 0 comma in this interval, doesn't belong to that. So that is the reason it is not a function. F is not a function. Since f is not, this is a bonus question they are given, it is not a function. Since they are given like this. Now we will explain the second problem. So see in this problem they are given here domain and codomain both are same is given. They are talking about onto functions such that f of k is a multiple of 3 whenever k is a multiple of 4. Whenever k is a multiple of 4. So they are talking about the onto functions. So but you can see when they are talking multiple of 4, you can observe here. What about multiple of 4? Multiple of 4 will be 4, you will get 8, you will get 12, 16, 20, right? So these are the multiple of 4. 5 numbers we have. If you take multiple of 3, when they are talking multiple of 3, you can check here multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, you get 16. So you know, so you get 15, 15, 18, correct? You will get. So these are the 6 we have. Now to make it function onto, the every element of codomain should be connected. So first you should follow this rule also. Oh, what are the arrangements we can do from these two? I have 6 elements. So these 5 elements I should connect. So these 6 elements with 5 elements, anything I can connect. It can be done 65 ways. Correct? You can select. Out of 6, you take any 5 elements, you should connect. 65. And this one into, these 5 elements we can do 5 factorial ways. Correct? You can observe here. So I can, what is the number of arrangements I am talking? Simply I can write, this is, you can see here, this 65 into 5 factorial. Correct. I have taken 65 into 5 factorial. So 65 is nothing but, I can write, this is nothing but 6 factorial, right? It will come 6 factorial. The number of arrangements between these two. 6 into 5 elements is 65 into the 5 among them is 5 factorial. So the number of arrangements between these two equal to 6 factorial. What about the remaining elements we have after taking 5? Remaining 15 elements. Among 15 elements among themselves we can arrange 15 factorial, right? So the remaining 15 elements we can arrange in 15 factorial ways. Therefore the final conclusion we can write the required number of onto functions equal to 15 factorial into 16 factorial. Option C is right. This is your answer. Option C is right. Now see in this problem, they are asking again, I am talking about only injective, surjective. The problem they are asking this model, they are asking not injective, neither injective nor surjective, surjective but not injective, injective but not surjective. But remember, injective means one function, surjective means onto function. To prove onto, to decide onto, this is a given function from A to R. Then the elements of A is the real numbers but not positive integer. So suppose to prove 1 1, so you can check to verify 1 1, to prove 1 1, to verify this is 1 1, f is 1 1. So to prove 1 1, to verify f is 1 1, you can consider f of x1 equal to f of x2. So to verify only, right? I am verifying it. To verify f is 1 1, f of x1 equal to f of x2, 2x1 by x1 minus 1 equal to 2x2 by x2 minus x1. If I do cross multiplication, x1 x2 minus x1 equal to x1 x2 minus x2. So we will get x1 equal to x2. So we are able to prove when f of x equal to f of x2 plus x1 equal to x2. for all x1, x2 belongs to A, then this is 1, 1. Clearly the function is 1, 1. It is 1, 1 function, no doubt in that. The function is 1, 1. To check onto, what is the onto? Every element of codomain should be connected. That means codomain equal to range. When range is equal to codomain, that function is onto. But here you can check here. If it take, so 2 doesn't have pre-image, you have to observe here. This is given, they define like this. But 2 doesn't have pre-image. Why? Because definitely f of x not equal to 2 for any x belongs to A. This you can observe here. F of x not equal to 2 for any x belongs to A. Also, for example, you take let it be 2 equal to 2x by x minus. So you will get 2x minus 2 equal to 2x. It will come minus 2 equal to 0. It is a contradiction. When I have taken 2, I got a contradiction. That means f of x never be equal to 2 for any x belongs to A. It is not onto. So it is not surjective. It is only 1, 1, not surjective, right? So this will be injective but not surjective. Option D is your answer. So see in this problem, A equal to set of A, B, C, B equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the number of elements in the set C equal to C set of F from A to B such that 2 belongs to F of E and F is not 1, 1 is. This is numerical answer type question. They are given September 5, 2020. So in this one you can see the rule is 2 belongs to F of A. So when they are given like this, again they told the function is not 1, 1. Definitely the possible elements of B. You can think about the B should have. So the B should have either singleton 2 or otherwise 2 should be there. So I can write 1, 2 or I can write 2, 3 or I can write 2, 4. So these are the possible elements of B to get the required one. F from A is a function, 2 should be there and F is not 1, 1. That is the reason the codomain either only this or only this. This is the possible. According to the given problem, the codomain should be in this. Suppose only singleton 2. Only singleton 2 means you get, so every element of a connected with singleton 2 will get one constant function. That will be 1 plus, I am talking elements of C, correct? I am talking about elements of C. We will get one constant function due to, suppose if this is domain, so this is codomain. So this is B is codomain. If set of 1, 2 is codomain. If 2 elements are there, the number of onto functions due to this, you can write whenever 2 elements are there, 2 more elements of A, 2 cube minus 2 gives number of onto functions. This is number of onto functions. Or you can apply formulas onto functions, 2 cube minus 2. But again for this 2 cube minus 2. For this also, right? For this one. Again if it is codomain is this, again 2 cube minus 2. So total you can check this one, it will come 1 plus, so 3 into 2 cube minus 2. Correct. So you will get 1 plus 2 cube is 8 plus 6 plus 18. So 19. So your answer is 19.00, right? That will be answer, numerical answer type question. Correct. Whenever B is having 2 elements, 2 cube, this is 3 elements, this is 3 elements of A, minus 2 gives number of onto functions. In this case, this one, in this case, 3 cases will get total 19 elements will be there. So C is having a 19. See this, when you are doing this problem, you should be careful. They are given 4 options and they are asking to find inverse of this. Let it be f of x is y is equal to 8 power 2x, 8 power minus 2x by 8 power 2x, 8 power minus 2x. So all, you can observe all the terms of 1 plus x by 1 minus x or 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Apply componendo dividendo. It will be y by 1. Apply componendo dividendo. If apply componendo dividendo, I will get 1 plus y by 1 minus y. Any one way I can do that. 1 plus y by 1 minus y. When I am adding this, if I add this one, you will get, you can see also 2 into 8 power 2x by, correct? I am adding this one. If I add 1 minus y, so this minus y, you will get 2 into 8 power minus 2x. So this one cancel here. If you take it up, this will 8 power 2, 8 power minus 2x will be 8 power 4x, right? If applying logarithm on both sides with respect to base e, 1 plus y by 1 minus y, base e equal to, if apply logarithm, you will get 4x, correct, because if apply logarithm log of 8 power 4x, that 4x I can hold here, so you will get log of 8 base e it will take, with respect to e I have taken 4x log 8 base e. Correct. Because we are seeing here, E combinations are there in all the options, E combination is there. I have taken log 8 base E. I want x value. If you take this one x, it will take now, this will be 1 by 4. Definite answer should be 1 by 4. And the x is equal log 8 base E, it will come this side. It will come log 8 base E, this side it will come log E base 8 into log of 1 plus y by 1 minus base E equal to x. So do you think about, this is x is in terms of y, this is f inverse of x, replace y with x. So replace y with x, 1 by 4 log e base 8, log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x base c, your answer is option D. Option D is your answer. So you should be careful when you are selecting the answer. So your answer is option D is your answer. See this problem they asked January 7th, 2020. They have been composite function, they have been g of x, they are asking f of 5 by 4. So what I will do now? So g of f of x means this you can think about that when they are given this is g of f of x, right? So you get g of f of x is equal to same function you will repeat. But when you are taking g of f of x, the function will become f of x whole square into f of x minus 1 is equal to. So try to express this side also like this. So what I will do, I want f of x whole square perfect square form. So this one can write, you can think 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 10x, I will write here 2, I can write, it will be 8x. Now what I am doing here, when I have taken this one 2x, 2 into 2x into 2, again this one plus 2 square I will write. So now is the remaining terms, to make it minus 10x and to make it 1, here I can write. So minus 2x, correct, minus 2x and the plus 1. Now you can check this. So when I have done this, this will become, so up to this term, you can see here, I have written like this. 2x, when I have written like this, 2ab, 2 to 8x minus 10x satisfying 4 plus 1. So this you can write 2x minus 2 whole square. Correct, 2x minus 2 whole square I can write. Now, you can see this side I have minus 2x, I can take it minus 2x plus 1. Suppose here, this is the function we have, f of x whole square plus f of x. You take transfer minus from that side, it will be minus 2. I can write minus of 2x, you get plus 1 plus will get 2x plus 2. You get 2x minus 2 it will come. Correct? You can observe, minus will transfer plus 1. So you take minus common 2x minus 2. You can compare now f of x 2x minus 2 whole square f of x. I want f of x. So you can check that this is in square. So f of x is nothing but you can see from this we compare both the sides, f of x minus of 2x minus 2. Correct. They are asking whatever they want, they want anything they ask, you can simplify. I want f of 5 by 4. So replace x with 5 by 4, you will get f of 5 by 4. So you get minus 2 into x minus 1, correct? So I can, in this I can substitute here. In the place of x I can substitute, you can write this. Suppose minus 2 into 5 by 4 minus 2. You'll get, so you'll get 5 minus 4 but minus 1 by 2 your answer. So this is minus 1 by 2 is the required answer. This way you can solve the problem. Otherwise, another method, you should write this is g of f of x. Now you can substitute here g of f of 5 by 4 this side. You get an equation, quadratic equation in terms of f of 5 by 4. That way also you can solve the problem. If you can solve this, that another way also you can solve the problem. Yeah, now you will check this one. And they are talking about the composite function f of g. What is f of g? They are given here f of n plus 1 by n is odd, n by n is even, g of n minus 1 whole power n, then f of g. Remember that whenever they are talking composite function, the nature of this function depends upon the function f. The function f. If f is 1 1, the composite function is 1 1. If f is on 2, the composite function is on 2. You can check this. If you take this one, for example, n is odd, f of 1. If you take f of 1 is odd means you will get 1 plus 1 by 2. It gives only 1. Even if you take f of 2, If you take f of 2 by 2, that gives 1. That means 1 and 2 have the same image. Since 1 and 2 have the same image, it is not 1, 1. Clearly, it is not 1, 1 means I can eliminate your option B and C. I can eliminate your option. Clearly, it is not 1, 1. Now you can see that. So the function maybe answer here or here. Oh, here you can say again. Oh, this is both. It is not 1, 1 they told. Correct, not 1, 1. Here was not 1, 1. Not 1, 1. Now you can check. Suppose you may take f of 1, f of 2. If you take f of 3, what is f of 3? 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. F of 4, it comes again 4 by 2, 2. When you are doing like this, again all the natural numbers you are getting. Definitely the range is equal to codomain, both are same. The range is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. When you have done like this, range is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Definitely the function f is on to, but not 1, 1. So look into this, we can decide. Function is not 1, 1, but it is on to. Why? Because the range is equal to the set of natural numbers. It is on to. The function is not on, but f is on to, but not 1, 1. Definitely the composite function is on to, but not 1, 1. So your answer is option A. So they are given this question September 2020. They are given f of x is given. This is the domain of f x out minus a is a real number. Now further they are given for any real number x not equal to minus a, f of x not equal to minus a. They mentioned that. Why? Because the domain x should not be minus a, x should not be minus a. Then when they are given this result, what is the meaning of this? One is the inverse of the other. So f of x is equal to x means here a function is inverse itself. From this I can write f inverse of x is equal to f of x, right? F inverse of x is equal to f of x, both are same. That I can conclude this from this. Because this is identity function, IA of x. F of x is equal to IA. Identity function. I can write identity function instead of identity function here. So f inverse of x is equal to f of x, it will come. Now you can find here, this is y equal to, let it be y equal to a minus x by a plus x. If you do this, you will get ay plus xy equal to a minus x. Try to find x value here. If you transfer this x into y plus 1, a into, you will get transfer that side, you will get 1 minus y. So you will get x is equal to a into 1 minus y by 1 plus y. Correct? It will come like this from this x value. But this x is nothing but f inverse of x. What is f inverse of x here? I can write f inverse of x is equal to, I can just this is f inverse of x, a into 1 minus x by 1 plus x. But they mentioned f inverse of x, we know since identity function. So because f of f is an here the given function is identity function, right? So f inverse of x is equal to f of x. So f inverse of x is equal to f of x means we know this is f of x, right? You can compare. So this is f inverse of f of x means I can compare here. So this I can write f inverse of f of x. You can write a minus x by, I can write a plus x. Correct. If we compare, this is f of x, both are equal, right? A minus x equal to a into 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Since both are equal, I have taken like this. Now we can find the value of a here. If you find the value of a here, you can see, you can simplify. I can find the value of a. If you look into this also, if a is equal to 1, it satisfies clearly. Just a simple idea. If a is equal to 1, it satisfies both the sides, right? So a is equal to 1, 1 plus x, 1 minus x, a is equal to 1. It satisfies. This is an idea that a is equal to 1. If you simplify, you get. But if you luckily we got a is equal to 1. Therefore, when a is equal to 1, the function is now. What is f of x will be? 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now you find f of minus 1 by 2. Substitute my f of minus 1 by 2, substitute the value here. F of minus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So it will come 3. Answer is why? Because you get 3 by 2 by half. So your answer will be 3. Answer is 3. You get it. Correct. Your answer is 3. That will be easy one. You can do that. This is a very simple problem using composite function. They are asking pi of pi by 3 from this. So if we take pi of pi by 3, we take this value. So you can observe here, it will come h of f of g of x. So you will get g of pi by 3. You are taking pi by 3. So g of pi by 3. So I can write this one correct. Of this one g of pi by 3. So this will come. What is g of pi by 3? G of pi by tan pi by 3. So if we substitute this g of tan pi by, this is tan pi by 3. So tan pi by 3 is, we know, tan 60 root 3. This value root 3. If we split this h off, you will get f of root 3. Correct? You split this is f of root 3. When you get f of root 3 means you will get root 3 again root 3. 3 power 1 by 4, right? It comes h of 3 power 1 by 4, right? Why? Because root 3 again the root of root 3. Root of root 3 is 3 power 1 by 2, whole power 1 by 2, 3 power 1 by 4. Then h of 3 power 1 by 4, this value is nothing but, if we substitute here, 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Am I right? This one. So now you can check here. This is one is tan 45, you can think. This is tan 45, tan 60 by tan 40. You can write 1 plus tan 45 into tan 60. So why I got this idea? Everything in terms of tan. So tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B, which is equal to tan of 45 minus 60. Correct? Tan 45 minus 60. This will become minus tan 15 degrees. How? Tan of minus 15 minus tan 15. Minus tan 15 is, you can write this one. Minus tan means I can write tan of pi minus pi by 12. Because pi by 12 is 15. So you will get tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta. Your answer is 11 pi by 12. That will be your answer, right? See this problem they asked January 2019. They are given three functions f1 of x, f2 of x, f3 of x. If a function g of x satisfies this composite function, then what is g of x? But you can follow this one. If you follow this one, I can split this one. f2 of j of, you can write f1 of x. So you write what is f1 of x? This f1 of x will be 1 by x. So this is equal to f3 of x. What is f3 of x? We know that 1 by 1 minus x. That's it, we know f3 of x. Now you can observe this one. Again I can write this one. So if the function is like this, what I will do, our convenient, replace 1 by x by x. This replace. So replace 1 by x by x. So then what the function will become? f2 of j of this one, it will be x. Correct, this is j of this one x. This side, if you replace x with 1 by x. So replace x with 1 by x. You are replacing the place of x 1 by x, you are writing, right? To understand the place of 1 by x. So this will become x by x minus 1, right? It will come like this. Replace x with 1 by x in the next step. So you will get x by x minus 1. Now you can expand this one, f2 of j of x. This is f2 of j of x, which is equal to x by x minus 1. I want j of x. f2 of j of x means, what is f2 of x? 1 minus x. This is 1 minus j of x. 1 minus j of x is x by x minus 1, right? Now you can think j of x. From this I can write j of x is equal to, you transfer that side. What is j of x? It will come 1 minus x by x minus 1. So x minus 1 minus x by x minus 1, right? So you can minus 1 by x minus 1. You are getting, you can transfer this. This is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x. So it is nothing but f3 of x. Your answer is f3 of x, option A. Correct? Answer is f3 of x, option A. See, just observe this, how to solve this problem. The observation is important here to observe this one. They are given g of A. They are talking g of s is there, f of s is there. I can find anything. Suppose if you write g of s. Why I am talking? Because g of s is here, g of s is here, or f of s. If we take g of s, so g of s means this will become x belongs to r, such that f of x belongs to a replaced with s. So f of x belongs to s. Correct? When I written x belongs to r, such that f of x belongs to s means what is s value? It is 0 to 4. What is f of x? F of x is nothing but x square. X square belongs to s means again at 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 4. This is the function, right? When x square positive, when x square less than or equal to 4, x square minus 4 less than or equal to 0, x plus 2 to x minus 2 less than or equal to 0, x lies between minus 2 and 2. I can conclude here x belongs to R such that minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, correct? From this x square less than or equal to 4, x square minus 4 less than or equal to 0, x plus 2 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 0, x lies between minus 2 and 2, including those values. You will get this one here. When this is g of s. But you can see here, when I have taken g of s here, but here this one, definitely g of s not equal to s. I can mention here, g of s not equal to s. You write f of this, if you write f of this implies f of g of s not equal to f of s, right? We got this one, g of s not equal to, this is not s, so not equal to s. So f of this one, so definitely this is true. They are asking not correct, this is true. Now I will check g of f of s. Suppose replace a with f of s, g of f of s. Suppose x belongs to R such that when I replace g of f of s, this will get f of x, f of, you can write f of x square belongs to f of s, right? Correct? This is x square belongs to f of s. But you can check what is f of s by, again I can see here f of s I have written x belongs to R, again I have written x square belongs to f of s. Now you can check when they are talking the value belongs to f of s means what are the positive value they can consider. X belongs to here, belongs to I have taken here, x square belongs to s. When I have taken, you can observe here what I have written the value here. So when I have taken f of s, x belongs to R, then you will get f of x belongs to f of s, f of x belongs to f of s. But again, what is f of s? F of s is s square. This is f of s is s square. So x square belongs to s square. That it will comes x belongs to such that x square belongs to s square means you can have this is s square, right? F of s is s square because f of x square, f of s square. What is s square? You will get between 0 to 6, right? I can get between 0 to 6. So then what it comes? X belongs to R such that you will get 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 16 it will come. That means x lies between minus 4 and 4 it will comes. You can write conclude x belongs to R such that minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, similarly how you have done like this. So definitely this is not equal to, you can write g of f of s, right? I have written here, I don't know, I have written g of f of s. So definitely this is not equal to s. So you write f of g of s. I have taken only g of f of s. I have taken g of f of s. I have taken. You apply this one. Definitely this is not equal to g of s. So that means here we are getting not equal to g of s. I have taken g of f of s not equal to g of s. I am getting here. This is not equal to g of s. So not equal to g of s means, but we have given equal to given. So this is incorrect. So option is this is incorrect. So with this we completed 2019 and 2020 problems of relations and functions. Thank you.